The Ministry of External Affairs has reacted strongly to the arrest of an Indian diplomat in New York in connection with a visa fraud allegation. The Ministry of External Affairs has said India is shocked and appalled by what the United States has done to a diplomat in New York. Let's listen in to Syed Akbaruddin, the government spokesperson.
But you will have to wait for further.
Given your strong reaction, don't we have a way to find out, to resolve these issues more amicably, and where do things go wrong?
I take your point. There is these are, first of all, isolated incidents, and therefore these need to be resolved as they happen. There is no system that everything can be covered in any number of dialogues. So while we do have a consular dialogue with the US on these matters, on matters of a consular nature, these are matters relating to diplomatic and consular privileges, rights covered under the conventions which are agreed to multilaterally. So we will take this up and discuss bilaterally, and different people can have different interpretation, but that does not mean that you can humiliate a young mother of 2 small children publicly. Yes, Parul.
Are Indian diplomats not aware of US labor laws, that they keep getting into trouble where hiring housekeepers or maids is concerned? And this is, I'm told, the 3rd incident of its kind. So, why does it happen again and again?
I think if you've read the statement put out by our embassy in Washington, it clearly states that a court in Delhi had given an order. So please do not think that there was a lack of awareness. There was already a judicial recourse taken by that young Indian woman diplomat. There is a court judgment from that case which has been given. So let us not jump to conclusions about lack of knowledge. There is enough knowledge, there is a legal process, and in this case she did follow that process. But please try and understand that at this stage we do not want to get into further details and try and explain to you the entire expanse, because this case will be made. It will be made forcefully, it will be made clearly, and we will try and resolve this issue.